To set different ringtones for two SIM cards on POCO F7 Pro, first we need to go to the Themes app. Once you open Themes, go to your account in the bottom right corner, then select Ringtones. And over here we can select the first ringtone that we wish to set for example, SIM card number 1. So let's say we can also tap on it in order to have a preview. Press apply and then choose SIM1. Then we can select another ringtone and set it as SIM2. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!